Oh, hello, this is Tak Chong from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe and share. Well, I stumbled upon this method in how to stir-fry chicken recently, and it turned out to be really a good method. This gives the chicken a blackened look as well as a taste. Now, this is only a minor modification of my normal stir-fry chicken template. The major difference is that when the chicken is almost done, I add some seasoning agents to the chicken. I then stir-fry the chicken with my wok spatula, and the chicken take on the seasoning and create this blackened appearance. It also take on the flavor of the seasoning agents. These minor modifications actually open up a lot of possibilities. Because by changing the seasoning agents, you can create many different flavors for the chicken. For those of you who are new to my videos, I'm using my Cucina 14-inch stainless steel wok. I season my wok with my spot seasoning method before I start this cooking session. I use 8 ounces of chicken to cook this dish. I coat the chicken with a thin layer of cornstarch. I've been using this approach in cooking my chicken for quite a while because both my son and wife really like that slight breading on the surface of the chicken. To create that slight breading, I basically pan fry the chicken. I spread out the chicken on the bottom surface of the wok. It usually takes about 20 to 30 seconds to fry one side of the chicken, and then I turn it around and fry the other side of the chicken. I prep the chicken in advance by cutting down into the pieces that are good for stir fry, and then I freeze it in very thin layer in Ziploc sandwich bag. This way I can have chicken anytime I want because I can thaw them out in a bowl of warm water in less than 10 minutes. This video shows you how to prep chicken in such a way so you can go from freezer to the wok in about 10 minutes. This method makes a huge difference for me because now I can have chicken anytime I want. I normally freeze them in 8 ounces portions because that's about the right size. I use chicken more as a condiment rather than as a main dish. Using this approach, I mix the chicken with vegetables and make the vegetable dish far more interesting and appealing. Okay, by now both sides of the chickens are lightly fried. Now this is the part that is where the innovation comes in. I put different type of seasonings onto the surface of the chicken from my masala dabba. My masala dabba has 7 different seasoning agents, and it's very nice because once I open it up, they are all available to me all at once. So this gives me wonderful opportunity to experimenting with different combinations. And this is the reason I always recommend people to get a masala dabba, and they can put their favorite seasoning agents in it. By now, I know the chicken is almost done, so I use my wok spatula to stir fry the chicken. As you can see here, after the seasoning agents coat the chicken, it starts to brown the surface of the chicken almost immediately. When you do this in your kitchen, you can immediately smell the nice aroma come from basically frying the seasoning agents. The dish took very little time to cook. In about another 10 seconds, I'm ready to serve the chicken. If you want the chicken to be blackened or brown more, then you can cook it a little bit longer. In this case, you notice that I put the chicken over a vegetable medley that I cooked a little bit earlier. As I have mentioned in other videos, I usually cook the meat and the vegetables separately because this will allow me to have a better control of their texture. Also, as you can imagine, the flavor of the chicken will be much stronger without being diluted by the vegetables. As you can see here, by making very small changes, you can create chickens with very different flavor. By making adjustment of the type of seasoning agents that you're going to use, you can create many different versions of this chicken. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe and share. I'll see you next time.